Hi everyone! In today's class, we have another Quickie yoga flow, and we are calling this versatile vertebrae. So we'll start seated. We'll cross our legs on the mat. Okay, find that comfortable seat. And then from here, we'll reach the arms up. We'll interlace the fingers and then let the palms press up. And then for this first round, go ahead, press the chest forward any amount. Maybe you'll even start to move the arms behind the head if that's accessible for you. Maybe you'll look up if you like. Okay, as you breathe in and out. And then as you exhale, we're going to round through the back. So you can let your palms face you and then round. Now as you stay here, we'll start to move from side to side. Okay, see how that feels for your middle back? Okay, we'll come back to center. Inhale, chest presses forward. Maybe as the hands press up, the arms can reach back any amount. Exhale, we'll round. Okay, you can stay here or you can add the swinging of the arms. Or you can twist any amount. One more round, inhale. And then exhale. Inhale, we'll lift up again. And then this time, we'll find some side stretch. Right hand down, and then left arm reaches up and over. Okay. Now, we are working or focusing on our spine or our vertebrae. And this movement is also good for our back. Okay. You can look down if you like, you can look up, you can even add wiggling the chest up and down. One more breath here. And let's do it on the other side. Inhale, arms lift up. And then exhale, left hand down, right arm reaches up and over. Okay. You can reach over any amount, meaning you can move your left hand as far as you like, and then side bend as much as you like. Okay. You can add again, rolling the chest up and down as you breathe in and out. Okay. Now from here, we'll reach the arms up. Okay. And then exhale, we're going to fold forward. Okay, so you can be on the palms, you can be on your fingertips. Okay, maybe for some, you might even come down to the elbows. Okay, so wherever you are, just reaching forward, grounding through the bum. Okay, you can look forward if you like. And then as you stay here, you can add those movements again. Okay. So personally, I like this sort of S-like movement in the body. One more breath. And then from here, we'll come up. Arms will lift up. Inhale. And then exhale, we'll turn to the right. Okay, bring the left hand to the right knee. And then you can look over your shoulder any amount. Okay, you can even turn the head if that feels comfortable. Or just bring the gaze where it's comfortable for your neck. Okay. And then you can use your pushing against that knee as leverage to turn. One more breath here. Then from here, we'll come back to center. We'll reach up high, lengthening the arms up. And then exhale, we'll twist to the left. Okay, so right hand this time to the left knee and then turn any amount. You can look over your left shoulder as you breathe in and out. You can even explore, maybe let go of the twist and then come into the twist. Letting go of the twist and then coming in. Okay, so see if that works for you. Okay. One more breath. And then from here, we'll slowly release. Okay. From here, we're going to make our way down to the mat. We'll lie down. So once you are lying down on your mat, we'll go ahead and bend the knees. Okay, so we'll do bridge. We'll come into bridge. Now from here, you'll press your hands down and then press the shoulders down. You can make any adjustments. Then as you inhale, we'll start to lift the hips all the way up. Okay. Now I know even though, well, this is a back bend, although we might feel our hips, our butt and hamstrings engage more. But don't forget the zipper. Okay, zip up here. One more breath. And then exhale, we'll lower down. Okay, next round. Inhale, we'll press up. Now you can keep the hands here or maybe you'll interlace the fingers underneath. And then maybe you'll shimmy the shoulders towards each other. Okay, if this is not accessible, you can go back to the first option. Okay, one more breath. And then from here, we'll release. Okay, release the hands as you lower down the hips. Okay. For this next round, okay, you have the option to stay in any of those variations for bridge. Okay? For this round, we'll lift the hips up. Okay, and then maybe explore bringing the hands over the head, holding on to opposite elbows. Okay, and then see how that feels for you. Maybe being able to lift the chest a little bit higher as you breathe in and out. Okay. One more cycle here. And then from here, we'll slowly let go. Bring the hands beside the hips. All right, this time we'll add a twist. Okay, we'll hug the right knee in towards the chest. And then from here, you'll straighten that left leg down on the mat. Okay? And then from here, you can maybe do a few circles if you like. Okay? Make sure you go the other direction. And then we'll twist. From here, we'll bring the right knee over to the left side. Okay? Now, you can also move your hips. Okay? You can adjust it. Okay? As you lower down the knee to the left side, and then right arm, we'll bring it out to a T. Okay? And then we'll stay here. Soften what can soften. So personally, I like this variation of the twist. You can use your left hand just gently pressing down or adding a little bit more effort in the twist, and then adding that movement at the hips. Okay? You can wiggle the hips side to side as you breathe in and out. Now, if you still like a little bit more, you can lift that right knee towards the chest, or maybe you can straighten that right leg out. Okay? Any amount. One more cycle. And then from here, we'll release. We'll come back to center. Then let's do that on the other side. Okay, we'll hug that left knee in as you straighten the right leg on the mat. You can draw those circles again at the knee. Okay, if you like, make sure you go the other direction. One more breath. And then we'll find the twist. Okay. Left knee, we'll bring it over to the right. You can scooch the hips, adjust any tweaks that you like. Okay, as you anchor your left arm out to the side. Okay. Now, as you stay here, just gently pressing down on that left thigh, you can add those movements again if it feels good for your back. Okay, adding that wiggle, or maybe even explore. Okay, maybe straightening that left leg out if you like. Okay, as you breathe in and out. One more cycle here. And then we'll slowly release. We'll come back to center. Okay. And then from here, you can maybe stay on your mat. Okay. And then you can close your eyes for a moment or two. Namaste. So I hope you enjoyed that good stretch for your back. I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.